This is the IC you are seeing behind me. This is where the 4-kilometer trunk line that was just discovered was laid into this ocean you are seeing behind me. 4 kilometers into this ocean, down is where they connected the pipe to siphon 250,000 barrels of crude oil on a daily basis, which is equivalent to $700 million. That is, the federal government loses $700 million alone from this pipe that was laid from the trunk line. The trunk line is down inside this mangrove forest. So from inside this mangrove forest, you are seeing the pipe was laid this ocean behind, 4 kilometers into this ocean, where they siphon 250,000 barrels of crude on a daily basis. This is Sekobolo in Burutu local government area. It's raining, but with our national assignment, what can we do? After the inspection today, Swan Boogie and other equipment we brought here to excavate the pipe and disconnect it to end this illegal activity going on here. I want to thank the GOC of the Niger Delta Waterways, High Chief Government Ekumpolo, Ike Otompolo, for discovering this trunk line that will bring to an end the illegal activities that is going on in this area.